Hi beautiful thinkers, Temi here, T-E-M-I. Welcome to Temi's Beautiful Thoughts. So today I just want to do a quick video. I want to quickly go through how to get a one shadow look. I want to show you guys how I do it and show you guys some eyeshadow products that you can use, the type of eyeshadow products you can use to get that look. I've already done my face in a separate video. I'll link that video. It's just a get ready with me. I started a series where makeup and insights, where I just share my thoughts on various topics. So the first one, I will link it up below. So first thing first, I already did eyeshadow basics video, so I will link that as well below, and I will go through details of how to get a nice eyeshadow, full eyeshadow look, and I went through the tools as well in that video. So I'm not gonna go through that again. So I'm gonna be using only two tools today. I'm gonna be using a flat eyeshadow brush and a blending brush. That's the only two shadows I'm using. Since it's nothing complicated, it's just one eyeshadow, so we're good. So I want to show you guys the two palettes that I have here that will be good for those kind of looks. Now, the first thing first is the kind of colors that you want to use for a single shadow looks. In my opinion, you don't want to use colors that are too dark, because then it turns into a smoky eye. But you also don't want to use something that is too light for your skin tone. So for me, I go for colors that are mid-tone colors, you know, so like browns, like mid, not bright orange, but kind of like a rusty orange, like a plum, not deep plum, but like a mid-tone plum. I go for reds that have like lean more like reddish brown, and I can even use color. I can go for something like a green, but go for something that's more of like an army green, like an olive kind of green. Colors like that, you know, as long as it's like a mid-tone color for your skin complexion, then, you know, those are the colors that you want to choose for a single shadow look. And single shadow look are quick. Put the shadow on, you blend it, and you're good to go. The only thing that I do additional to mine is I always use highlighter in the inner corner. I can either use an eyeshadow that's light, or I can use my highlighter. So let me show you the first option. My first go-to for my single shadow looks are matte shadows, and this is this Juvia Warrior 2 palette, and as you can see, it's all warm matte colors. So I can pretty much use almost every shade in here. Let me see, can I use that one? Yeah, I can use that one too. So I can use this two browns, and then I can use this medium roll colors. So all 5 shades I can use for a single shadow look that will look really nice on me. So that's the first option. The second option is to use a palette that has let me cover this mirror, that has a little bit of sheen. You don't want to use something that has glitter. You don't want to use something that's like shimmer. You know, if you want a little bit of shine, you want something that's just a teensy, kind of like a satin, like a soft satin shade. Because I noticed that if you use something that is too shiny and that's too glittery, it looks kind of all over the place. It doesn't look as seamless as when I use shades that are either matte or have just a slight sheen to it. So this is my Gorgeous Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, it has like a soft satin finish. That finish doesn't translate like really heavy on the eye. I'm going to show you guys a few shades that I've actually used. One is a bit more what's it called? It's a bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? It's a bit deeper than the other one, but I still did it as a single shadow. And that one, like I said, unless you want something smoky, you can use deeper shades if you want something smoky. All right, so I don't know if you guys see that. So this first color is a kind of like a green, This one is like a, it has hints of like pink in it. This one right here, this one is like a peach, and then this one right here is like a warm rusty brown shade. So I've actually used all 4 colors to do a single shadow look. And as you can see, it doesn't pack a lot of punch on the shimmer or the shine. You know, it's just a little bit of specks of, you know, shimmer in there. So I'm gonna use the one, the Gorgeous Cosmetics one. So okay, let's see which color should I want that coral peachy looking color. What's it called, Sif? I think it's called rhubarb. Yeah. It's already looking pretty. Doing the same on the other side. If you guys hear anything, that's just my son sleeping. I'm breathing really loud. So once I pack the color in, I take the same color on my blending brush and then I just go over the edges so that the color fades upward and doesn't look like just stuck. And I can really do that with this because you see the color is not too deep. If I was using that army green, I wouldn't be adding more color. I would just take the blending brush, and I might even take a smaller blending brush and then I'll blend around the edges. But this one, the color is light enough that I just want a wash of color all over my eyes. That's it, guys. You guys see that the shimmer is not translating on the eye, like it's not overbearing. And then the next thing I do is I just put a little bit of a light color on my inner corner, just to brighten up my inner corner of my eye. So that's it, guys. That's it. It's simple. So again, what you want to do is you want to go with a color that is mid-tone to your skin. So mid-tone will be different for every skin complexion, you know. And then you want color that is either matte or that has like a soft sheen, a soft satin color. You don't want something that is too glittery. I'm using L'Oreal. Give me a second, I'll figure out the name. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Filling from, what's it called? From Wet n Wild. What? The spray on this thing is terrible. Like, seriously. That's it. I'm done. Because it's messing me up. It's messing me up. Oh! You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of that color on my lower lash line. And because it's a color that is not too dark, I can be a bit sloppy with it. There we go. Alright, that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? Simple, right? Again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time, next week. Yes, next week. Bye.